Good Lord. Oh my God. Okay, that was actually a little harder than I thought. Hi guys, I am so excited for this video. So let's just get right into it. I finally got my hands on the Shark FLEXSTYLE system. So it actually comes in this really nice box. You just open it up and there's all your hot tools. It also has like a little set of directions as well. So I got the auto wrap curlers and then the blow dryer system. I never know like what to call these, like should probably just look it up, but like the comb system. I've had my fair share of these, like, you know, the ones from Target and everything. I really do like them, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to get them. I can get rid of my like 20 cheap ones that don't really work that well. I am so excited. This is like the main part of the entire attachment. If you want, you can just go like that for the blow dryer. Super simple, so you don't have to literally be like, no, okay. Anyway, I've seen a lot of videos on this. Like, I'm just super excited. I kind of already know how it works. This one, after like taxes and shipping and everything, it was $260, I want to say. And the Dyson right now is going for like $600. So I'm like, why the heck would I buy the Dyson? It also comes with these little alligator clips and then a non-slip mat. My hair is a little wet right now. I do have some water with me just to ensure that I guess like I get enough grip and I'm doing it the right way here. And I'm just gonna like dive in. You guys saw me open it. I literally got it like 2 hours ago. Came in the mail. It was like pre-order. So it took about like 3 weeks to send to me, or like 2 weeks to send to me to ship, and then like 5 days to get here. Which honestly isn't that bad because like I said before, it is pre-order. So you get 4 of these alligator clips. These actually come in handy, like big time. So I'm first just going to section off a big chunk of my hair for the bottom. I heard that smaller sections definitely help a lot. I'm sure like with the comb and everything, like bigger sections work too. So I'm gonna do this how I would normally like use it. So I'm gonna first test out like this little brush attachment here. That was just so easy. Did you guys see that? Just clicks on. Wow, okay. I think I'm just going to section off like this chunk. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and treat it as like my other brushes that I have from Target. Like, I'm not gonna give it special treatment, in other words. I'm just making sure my hair is wet and brushed through. I already have like heat protectant in it and everything like that. Let's just try this out. So power is here. It has 3 different heat settings and 3 different fan settings, and I'm just going to assume this little like blue button means cool. All right, let's do this. Okay. Definitely too big of a chunk. I can do that with my other brush, but that's fine. We'll test it out here. Maybe just because it's really wet. Much easier. Drying fairly quickly, but I like it so far. Okay. So I turned the heat up all the way and then it was just so much quicker. Wow. I'm gonna try this one now. So these have like left and right. For this one, I heard you need to take a small section. Now I'm doing it dry. I'll try like wetting it on this side and just see. I've never done this before. I've never had like a Dyson. I don't really know how this part of it works, but we'll see. Should I do that? What am I doing? Oh. Oh, okay. I'm gonna hit cool. I can hold it. Good Lord. Oh my God. Okay, that was actually a little harder than I thought. That's still pretty though. Okay, so for this part, I'm gonna redo it and I'm just going to fully section off one section. Okay, it kind of, and this gets hot, ooh. Isn't it cool? Where the fuck is that? Okay, so I'm struggling with the tip, like the end of it here. I'm gonna do a smaller piece. Should I be wrapping it around? Like, I'm not really sure. Again, like I've never... Yes. Yeah? I'm gonna hit cool. Where is it? I'm gonna turn it off and then pull out the curl. Okay, that was much better. Do you see that? Maybe that was the trick, I don't know. I just tried the same thing and maybe I've just like gone through too many times with this curl, but it's just messed up. Okay, I'm gonna curl the rest of my head. Like, this is essentially why I got it. I want those huge bouncy curls. I already know how this thing works. Like, so it comes with a flat one as well, so I'm assuming just to like kind of straighten through. This one gives you more of that bounce. You could honestly still get that same bounce with this one too and wrap it around. Shit. Okay, this is hot. Like, don't grab it like I am. This is what my hair is looking like so far. I just took the top layer down and I'm still kind of struggling with these like end pieces. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm actually going to, like I said, this gets hot, so just unlock it and then twist it from the top. I think I'm just going to go over this entire thing with this brush first, make sure my hair is all dry, and then I'm gonna try, because I feel like it's working better on drier hair. I mean, I still get that volume I want. I'm not like pissed about it. Also, just a random side note, this cord is super long, which is really nice actually. So they thought about that. I mean, just like that though, it gives me great volume. Now I'm gonna try to curl the rest of it. Okay guys, I finally got the hang of it. As you can tell, more on this side. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like how long it took me to figure it out. So the one main thing that finally got these curls to kind of last and not look so crazy is that, like I said in the beginning, I was still kind of testing it out, but when that hair is still in the curler and it's still on, when it's set, when you think you've set it, turn it off and then pull it through. Instead, if you just had it on and pulled it through, as you're pulling it through, all these other little random hairs would be like sticking to it, and then it would just like blow out the rest of the hair and that curl wouldn't stay. That is my biggest tip. I've also found that it works really well, like honestly better on dry hair, I think. Like, you don't need to just be right out of the shower and have it done. So this is what my hair is looking like. Very voluminous. I haven't even like brushed through it at all. Now I am finger combing it, but that's all I've done to it. This is what the back view looks like. Look at that, you guys. I love it. Like, I just get so much volume. Like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna brush it and see what it does. If it just brushes out all the curls, or probably a wide tooth comb would be better, but you guys, look at that. Like, this is a blowout. I don't have any hairspray in it at all either. I just want to see how it handles the rest of the day. Wow, that's amazing. I love this thing, 100% worth it in my book. I know it's obviously very spendy. It honestly like gets rid of like 3 or 4 of my hot tools, which is like all of them. So it's like a 4-in-1, 3-in-1 type deal here. I like it a lot. And again, once you get the hang of it, it pretty much took me like one full go to get the hang of it. I think it's great.